beautiful people? This is your girl Tiki. I'm coming to you today with a makeup look. I haven't done one of these in a while. I wanted to show you the products that I got from Crayon Case Cosmetics. This is a New Orleans based brand. The founder is Super Scent. Follow her on Instagram. She is hilarious. But I have ordered a number of their products. They're inexpensive. They're all school supply themed. So you have like a box of crayons. It's just everything is just based on school supplies, crayons, and things of that sort. So they are really cute. They're really inexpensive. You can order them online, or you can actually order them, well, you can buy them at Walmart now because they have expanded to Walmart. So I wanted to create a look after I ordered a number of things from them. So this is going to be my look. If you want to see how I created this look, keep on watching.
Body, lip, got it, job on it. Did I ever? Got my cards ready to play, yeah. It's all a game. Who's gonna pay up? Much at stake. What would you give up to change your fate? Luck isn't made, fuck all your fake. Love face down, but you're not down for me. Downplay when I said that I'm wanting more. What's it for? Keep score, but you keep me guessing. But I guess that you keep it on the low. No. Are you ready for this? Come on, we could just go all in. Are you ready for this? Come on, we could just go all in. We could just go all in. We could just go all in. Loving you is a gamble. Loving you is a gamble. Oh, burning me like a candle. You could be such a handful. Oh, why you always loving? We could just shoot straight. You don't tell me nothing, but I'm still gon' wait. Yeah, loving you is a gamble. Loving you is a gamble. Oh. Come on, we could just go all in. Are you ready for this? Come on, we could just go all in. We could just go all in. We could just go all in. Loving you is a gamble. Loving you is a gamble. Oh, burning me like a candle. You could be such a handful. Oh, why you always love it? We could just shoot straight. You don't tell me nothing, but I'm still gon' wait. Yeah. Loving you is a gamble. Loving you is a gamble. Oh, loving you is a gamble. Loving you is a gamble. Oh, burning me like a candle. You could be such a handful. Oh, why you always love it? We could just shoot straight. You don't tell me nothing, but I'm still gon' wait. Yeah, loving you is a gamble. Loving you is a gamble. Oh, loving you.
You can always tell the truth if you wait
just tryna get it poppin', what's good? Yeah, yeah. You know all my bitches love it when we get turned. Oh, yeah. And no, it ain't no turning down, baby. Ain't no drama, we just tryna have a good time. Me and my girls stepping out in the all black. Little bit 10 on her feet, don't know how to act. Pulling up to the scene with a top back. Money ain't even a thing, cause we got that. No drama, no drama. Leave it at home for your crazy baby mama. Yeah. I wanna know, boy. Yeah, what's good? Yeah. I wanna know. Turn up, sip up on some good wine. DJ playing my favorite song. Running them beats, now you know it on. Yeah. From the drinks to the hookah, so messed up, gotta call me Uber. I wanna know. Yeah, what's good? Yeah. I wanna know. Yeah. Oh, what's good? Cause we just tryna get it poppin', what's good? What's good? You know I'm a lover when we get turned. What's good? And no, it ain't no turning down, baby. What's good? Ain't no drama, we just tryna have a good time. It's the weekend, you know what that means. He left his girl in the party with me. All drinks on me, yeah. All I want is more thoughts, all I want is more conversations. Then there's all shoes, bloody like a tiger, bloody like a tiger, bloody like a tiger. Yeah. What's good? Yeah. What's good? Yeah. I wanna know. What's good? You know I'm a lover when we get turned. Ain't no drama, we just tryna have a good time.
But you work in Manhattan. Said you came to be an actor, but maybe you'll start rapping. Hey, yo. Don't know why I would assume someone who was trying to figure out their life would know what to do with me. You said you didn't know where this was going. You seem to know when it's 3 in the morning. That was the moment. Said I only need a man if he's printed on green. If his name is Jose Johnny, you're slowing me down. I got important places to be. Diamonds in my mouth. If we ain't talking money, what we talking about? These boys all chasing me hands out. West Coast. Teeth dressed all gold. Saved himself his daddy in my phone, then wonders why when he calls I'm never home. You picked the wrong